Searching for files in SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 is made simple using the new Quick Search functionality. Easily access the new search field in the top right corner of File Explorer, or hit Ctrl F on your keyboard and start typing. Predictive search is enabled based on your search history, and you can use your arrow and enter keys to easily select and repeat a common search. Quick Search is also configurable, where you can choose to search from one or many variables in addition to location and version details. You can now use operators like and, or, not, equal to, less than, and greater than, so you can find exactly what you're looking for without filling out multiple fields or manually sorting through various search results. Traditional search cards can utilize the new multiple variable fields as well, so you can improve their usability and efficiency. In both search environments, columns can now be easily moved with a drag and drop, so you and every other user can organize search results as you please. Searching with SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 enables you to find the correct data fast with a simple experience.